Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling essentials and taking the first actionable steps immediately. Pull invoices, GL reports, and approvals so you can post with confidence. Once done, confirm the transaction date and currency, and map each line to the correct GL code and cost center so totals will reconcile. Make sure to note reference numbers and any tax or withholding flags. This prevents rework. You're setting the foundation for accurate entries, so be precise now to avoid corrections later. Next, you enter the voucher lines and focus on balancing debits and credits. Post amounts to the mapped GL codes and double-check sums so the ledger stays balanced. Once the basic lines are in, apply tax or withholding calculations and any FX adjustments if the transaction crosses currencies, because these impact net amounts. Make sure to attach supporting scans and write a clear narration that explains why the entry exists. This reduces query cycles and speeds approvals downstream. Finally, you validate and route the voucher. Run a preview to catch missing fields or imbalance, then submit it through the approval workflow while confirming approver limits. Once approved, post to the ledger and reconcile the subsidiary account so the cash and GL agree. If posting fails, check for locked periods or invalid GL codes, fix the small data error, and retry. You'll finish with a clean posted entry and documentation that supports audits and monthly closes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.